Welcome. If you are new, welcome. If you came back, welcome, welcome, welcome. Today's video is, let's get this out of my ears. Yeah. So this video we are going to talk about my first wig. We're gonna be talking about my first wig, literally my first wig. So ooh, my hair looks so luscious today. So we're gonna talk about my first wig, and we're gonna do an unboxing. I wanted to tear it open before I, did this, but I was like, you know what? I think we need a video. So, the process of buying a wig. Go on the website, check. I bought a wig. And then I was talking to my friend, and it was like, well, sorry, I was talking to my LS. And she was like, why did you get this wig? Like, that wig is very short. Like, you should have got another wig for more inches for less money. So I contacted them, and they responded real fast. I told them that I no longer want the wig I bought. I want the new wig. So they was like, okay, we processed the new wig. Don't worry about it, da-da-da. But they didn't give me the $5 back. They charged me the same price as the other one, which is more. But, $5, yes, I know. Some of y'all was like, it's just $5. I was like that too. That's why I didn't fight it. But for people that are really looking to change it because of the price difference, that can be a problem. But other than that, the communication was good. It took nearly 2 weeks for them to finish processing it, and delivery was really fast. I'll put like time frames up here because I didn't come to this video with the set list because I'm ready to open up this wig. So we are going to go through what is in my first wig box. Ooh, I'm looking good today. Anyways, so I'm gonna open up the box because in order to know what's in the box, you have to open up the box. So there's a pouch. Inside the pouch is, you'll see a B-roll of this. You'll see hair clips, bobby pins, basically 2 hair clips, a band for the wig, and an instructional piece, and a ragtail comb. Why do they call it ragtail comb? I don't know. It's a tail comb, but I digress. Then we have the moment you have all been waiting for, the wig. So it comes in this little dry cleaners looking thing, and it has a zip. So it tells you the content of it, and this is actually, yes, the 20 inches that I asked for, texture silky. This is the information. So yes, so they gave me a wig cap, and then you have the actual wig. Is it in a net? Okay, so the wig is in a net. So I'm taking off the net. Smells like wig. So I've tried to do my own wig. I have a series on how to bleach the knots, how to do sew-in to make the wig. It'll be in the iCards over here. But for some reason, because of, not some reason, I know the reason, my mannequin head was too small. So the wig that I made could work for somebody else. It was a good wig. It was a good wig. Don't let me, I got a lot of hair and my head big. So, girl. Oh, we have another adjustable strap. Okay. Oh shoot, they have the adjustable strap over here. So they have adjustable straps thingies like bra hooks. I'm gonna call it bra hooks. So they got bra hooks here, and they have a bra hook here. And then inside of it, they got this thingy that has a bra hook here and a bra hook here. So they basically are helping you get the adjustable strap you need. This is amazing. So right now, okay, so this is the wig. This is the wig, and the lace is really big. It's a lace frontal. Yeah, it's a lace frontal, and then the wig, like the parting space for the lace is from here to here. That's a lot of space. I'm excited. So right now it's curled. Could actually be just, you know, factory curled, but it's supposed to be a wavy. When I wash it, I'll know what's the tea. But you know, I can't do nothing because I got a lot of hair right now. So right now I'm satisfied. The length is amazing. I'm just excited. I'm just excited. How do you think I'm gonna look? How y'all think I'm gonna look? Like, don't call me Francine. Call me Francoise. Like, girl. But so far, from what I got, in the contents and in the box and all that, I'm happy. I'm excited. I can't wait to put this on my head. But you know, my this little disaster piece that called hair, it's actually looking good. Like, I didn't expect it to come out this great. I still have deep conditioning in my hair, and I turned it into a leave-in conditioner because I was tired. So I mean, it looks good. So I'm gonna rock this for a little bit. Catch me in a couple of days when I get somebody to braid my hair. You're gonna see this wig on. You gonna see this wig on. So right now I'm excited. Okay, so obviously there's gonna be different parts of this video because I ain't put the wig on. So I'll see you in the next video. Okay, KK. Goodbye. What? Okay, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.